Today we are doing our biggest video yet. We're going to be comparing default Windows settings, then tweaking the Windows settings, and then comparing that all to JINSHI Tweaks to see which one actually boosts our FPS the most. Let's get straight into this video with a brand new PC. Now getting straight into it, as you can see right here, it is a brand new PC. All that we have is Google Chrome, JINSHI Tweaks, and Fortnite. Of course we will be testing our frames in Fortnite, but if you guys follow this video along, you can also transfer this into any game that you play. Like I said, we're going to be testing default Windows settings. As you can see right now, I'll even quickly prove it to you. Let's go on Task Manager, literally go on to Processors, 230. You guys know me, I'm always playing below 100, so obviously this is a brand new PC. Also to prove it, if we just quickly go on to Services, you can see no services are disabled. They're all running or are stopped as of right now, as you can see right here. So of course we're going to be testing within Fortnite default Windows settings. Then I'm going to be professionally tweaking this PC and showing you guys the Windows tweaks so you guys can follow along, comparing that FPS, and then using JINSHI Tweaks to see which one comes out on top. Let's get straight into it. Now first of all, of course you guys know what I need to do already. Let's load up Fortnite and check our FPS. And now here is our base FPS right now, as you can see in the top left, around 180 to 190 frames. Let's see if normal Windows tweaks can boost this, and then JINSHI Tweaks of course. Now time for the magic to start, and of course the whole point of making this video is so you guys can copy along and get more FPS just like me. This is the first tweak we're going to be doing. Go onto the search bar and search CMD so command prompt runs up. Make sure you run as admin. What we're going to be doing is setting your GPU and of course my GPU in high priority, making sure when you're playing Fortnite or any other game, all the priority is for your GPU. Of course getting more frames because of it. So now literally just go in the description down below and I'll leave this line of code for you guys. You can literally copy it for free obviously. Just go in the description down below. What you guys need to do, copy the line of code, Control C. Now go back onto admin, Control V to press enter. As you can see right here, the operation has completed successfully. Now your GPU and my GPU is in high priority for gaming. Make sure you copy it. Now we can move into a regedit tweak, some more CMDs, testing our FPS again. For our next Windows tweak, we're going to be disabling MPO, multi-plane overlay. Windows adds a layer over your screen, delaying your PC so much, reducing FPS as well. We're going to be disabling this feature. What you guys need to do is press Windows and R at the same time so run pops up. Regedit is what we need to type. As you can see right here on my main account, it literally comes up immediately right when I type R, but on this one it's super different because I don't have it. Regedit just like so. Now registry editor is going to pop up. There's going to be loads of files as well, and this is exactly what you guys need to do to increase your frames, and of course we'll be testing this as well. What we need to do is this: bring down the folder of HKey local machine, bring the folder down just like so. Then you're going to see software, bring that folder down. Go down a little bit until we see Microsoft, bring that folder down. Once we bring down Microsoft, scroll down quite a lot until we see Windows, literally just the normal Windows. You guys are going to see it any second. Here it is right here, Windows, bring that folder down. Now what we need to look for, DWM. All you need to do is just click onto it. Overlay test mode is right here, double click onto it. Value data, most of you guys maybe 10, 15, anything like that. Delete it, make sure you have the value data of 5, absolutely as minimal as possible. Once you have the value data of 5, base must be hexadecimal. Press on OK, and as simple as that, overlay test mode is now getting out of your PC. Now we're finally getting more frames. Of course we have more CMDs and more regedits, but of course we still have to compare it to JINSHI, an actual professional PC tweaker. And now we can just move into our next tweak. Yet again, another CMD prompts. Again, I know these aren't basic Windows tweaks. That's because we actually want more performance. I don't want to waste you guys' time, and I don't want to waste my time just doing basic Windows tweaks. Now go into the search bar, go into CMD, run as admin. Most of you guys may have it open already. Yet again, go down in the description. You're going to see disable game bar DVR. What this is, silently recording in the background of your PC. And you guys know, if something is recording on your PC whilst you're playing any game whatsoever, your frames are decreasing. So what you need to do, copy this line of code just like before, Control C, go back onto CMD, Control V to press enter. The operation has completed successfully. It's really this simple to tweak your PC. Now moving into another regedit tweak, let's do a couple more CMDs and then actually test our frames, and then of course the main part of this video. Now as for our next tweak, Windows is secretly slowing down your CPU and your GPU. It's power throttling. We're going to be disabling this setting and it's super simple. simple to do. Yet again, Windows and R, so run pops up, and yet again go into regedit. You're going to be greeted with loads of files. Yet again, by the way, make sure you bring up every single folder we did previously, because this is in a different position. This is what you guys need to do. HQ local machine, you guys are going to see it, bring that folder down. System, bring that folder down. Current control set, bring that folder down. And then of course control, bring that folder down. Now what we need to do is scroll down quite a lot until the P section, power, we're going to see it, bring that folder down. Power throttling, click onto it. Of course we don't want power throttling. Double click onto the folder right here to actually make sure it's disabled or enabled, as you guys are going to see right here. Power throttling off. We actually want to enable this feature because we want it to be off. To enable this feature, the value data must be 1. As you guys could see before, my value data was 2. Value data of 1, actually making sure it's off, press onto OK. Simple as that. The regedit tweak is now done. Moving into another CMD prompt. And as for this CMD prompt, it's the most crucial tweak you can possibly do to your PC. In the background, how much CPU usage should be used for background apps compared to gaming? Now, most of you are probably thinking 100% should be used for gaming, but this cannot physically be the case. You literally cannot do this. But you can do 90% for gaming and 10% for background apps. We're going to be making sure it's that perfect ratio. So yet again, go into CMD, you guys are going to see it, and I already have it open right here. Now again, go in the description of this video, set system responsiveness to 10. That means only 10% of your usage will be for background apps, 90% for actual games. So copy the line of code, literally just like so, go back onto CMD, press enter, the operation has completed successfully. You guys cannot do, by the way, 0 right here, or it will automatically go up to 20. That will mean 20% usage for background apps, 80% for gaming. The maximum you can do is this right here. Once we've done it, simple as this, we're going to be checking our frames now within Fortnite, and then we're going to be doing the main part of this video. How much can the best PC tweaking app actually increase our frames compared to just normal Windows tweaks that I always show you? And now we are in game just after normal Windows tweaks that I show you every single video. We're playing around 280 frames. I'm not gonna lie, this is very, very good just for Windows tweaks. But now let's see if JINSHI Tweaks can actually boost this even further, used by pros as well, and of course I'll tell you which pros. And now that was actually a very good frame increase, but now time for the best part of this video. Let's see how JINSHI Tweaks actually does for our PC, and of course I'll leave a link to this down in the description below. We can see right here, there's our system monitor, system heartbeat, we're playing about 65% to 50%, that's absolutely crazy. We also have an AI assistant. If you're not sure what to do, but you want to, I want more FPS, you just type that, it's going to scan your specs just like so and tell you exactly what tweaks you need to do. This is the difference between JINSHI Tweaks and normal Windows tweaks. This actually gets to the core problem of your PC. We're going to be enabling all of these tweaks, as you can see right here. Genuinely absolutely crazy. And of course, if we've gone through advanced, here is the magic, by the way. Low risk tweaks, medium risk tweaks, and then high risk tweaks. By the way, I know most of you will be thinking about getting JINSHI Tweaks. Make sure you please read the high risk tweaks, because they are very high risk. And of course, I'm not going to be enabling every single one. I'm only going to be doing ones that I actually need for my PC. And if you're really unsure what to actually do, just go onto the presets and have a look at one of these for yourself. Max FPS, competitive gaming, and low latency. And of course, by the way, one last thing I want to mention before we actually see if we get another frame increase, that pros are using this. And if you guys are wondering, JINSHI, what pros are actually using JINSHI Tweaks? Well, if we go onto Google right here, go onto Fortnite Tracker, this pro player Twy, and I'm going to show you where he ranks in the United Kingdom. We're going to scroll down just that little bit. In 2026, he is the 3rd best Fortnite player in the United Kingdom. He is that good at Fortnite, and he uses JINSHI Tweaks to actually get maximum performance. And if we quickly go into earnings right here, you can see the solo cash cup finals, he literally won it, winning $15,000. He uses JINSHI Tweaks to actually increase frames. So go down onto the website below, just check out for yourself, go on to get max FPS. Of course, we have the best bundle for you guys, KBM tweaks to make sure your KBM actually has 0 delay, and also a network optimizer so you get lower ping as well. So just check out the complete gaming bundle, under £10 per app, because you get a clean PC as well, making sure you could actually debloat your PC. Stronger, smarter, and more FPS. Now let's actually apply the tweaks. And now I've applied all of the tweaks. Let's see if we can actually increase frames or not. Let me just load up Fortnite. Let's see our frames now. And there we have it. We're playing 600 plus FPS. Do you guys know how crazy that is? Instead of just buying a new GPU, you can buy JINSHI Tweaks or KBM Tweaks and the ping tweaks to get maximum performance out of your PC. It is really that good, and of course this is why it's used by pros and everyone else. Genuinely, JINSHI Tweaks is the way to go if you want better performance from your PC. As you can see right here, if you're playing, make sure you actually play to win and just get max FPS. If not, just see the reviews. These are the latest 5 reviews that change every single day by the last people that have bought it. You can quickly read them right here and just check out for yourself if you genuinely want more PC frames.